Mr. Kwesi McDonald climbing apple tree. Crunchy. Bush animals.
Sweater February Charlie. Wow. Watch ya. See sweater drip. Water drip. You don't know. So we no lazy. Hard working, never lazy. How will them feel? We no stoosh.
So
for him go a bush. Yeah.
in the bush. Yeah. Yeah, it's a jungle out here. Apple tree, but no apple. Green star apple. It's so sweet. When it's ripe, they're sweet. Yeah. 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 Gentle people. Yam. Yes. Real bush yam. So, me and Jess, yeah, go dig up. Yes, we are gonna try with look and see what we can do. Bush king, you know. Yeah. This is the life. So anybody who are interested to come camp, you can come camp with me. Yeah, you can come camp with me in the bush. Just comment and let me know. So where the world around and so sooner or later we have to go in the bush.
Right?
Yeah, so you know, pre-practice. Learn to survive.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, say big. You big enough?
Big?
Yeah. Would have put it down like dirt. It's big. To hell.
Oh.
Never want to broke. Hey!
Yay.
We get something.
Survival.
Yeah!
Work with it.
It is up to it is. Well, when kids then come down to get my shit, we don't want the part there. Far.
Say that again. Say that again.
This? The yam vine? This is the yam vine. Yeah. See, food is in the bush. You don't have to go too far. If you're not lazy, you must survive. Yeah. So we get the fire going. Now we're putting some leaves on it to warm up the wood because they're cold. So we're gonna roast some fish and yam. There's Kwesi. Yeah, a day in the bush.
roast some fish. Come like me turn Tarzan and now I see Jane there.
Fish! Barracuda, right? Yes, barracuda and the fire. No grill. Bush style. Yes. Bush style. Yeah. Catch it on the same way. Well, never roast yam before, but today is the day. Is the day.
I fet the goat in yam, yeah. Look how white and pretty. Hold up the white part, my fet. See yam white and pretty? Whole bush yam that. You want some steamed fish, a roast fish right here, so what are you talking about?
Yeah.
See roast fish them there? You want to catch a new dance, so me have phone, no?
Yeah.
Scratch! Scratch! Answer bite! Answer bite! Scratch! Scratch! Answer bite! Yo! If I about bite and bone,
Yeah. Then catch
no
me
bone.
too.
You better know. Yeah, I knew the answer, no? Answer bite. Better.
Yes, people. So everybody gone. So me I test out the yam. See it? Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Nice. Yeah. Oh, so refreshing. Oh my god.
Yeah. Roast barra in a bush. Yeah, you don't know it thing go. Yeah, man. You call this the barra tail. Yeah, tail part me get.
Ay, no hot.
Nice, man.
Oh.
Yes, people. This I saw yam grow. Them here a yam seed. Yeah. Them grow on the vine and then fall to the ground and grow down in the ground and become a big, beautiful yam. So people, this is how the seed them grow, yam seed. Yeah.